I am starting this morning with the classic Arduino Servo knob sketch. So the next thing is I'm opening up YouTube here, and I want to take a look at some of the tutorials around this sketch, this servo knob sketch, just because I want to assess the electrical builds. No shade on any of these videos. It's a bunch of excellent information, and I'm going to put the links to every single one of these in the description. So, all right, number one. Ooh, yeah. So using a push-on connector on a part that you're going to be holding. It's the first thing to come unplugged, just from experience. Number two. It's all right. Be careful with these hoops. You're going to unplug something. Hey, look, the trim pot made an appearance. At least they're soldered. Okay, so here we've got solid core copper wire. It looks like old telephone wire. And you can see this vibrating wire there? That wire can just come unplugged and dance around and be sort of a random electrical probe on your circuit. But look, it's fun. It's fun to turn the knob, right? And watch the servo go. It's a great project. Yeah. Work it. Work it. Number three in my little list. Yeah, again, for me, it's the solid core right there. The wire is like flexing back and forth and working on that thing. It's not good. The pet peeve for me with this one is the trim pot shoved directly into the breadboard. Typically, the pins on that trim pot are too big for those holes, and are also like often too short, and it sort of mounts, but also very easily wants to sort of like pop out. So I don't like it. I never like it. I'm sorry. Number five. This guy seems like a nice dude. What's up, dog? This tutorial has some cool stuff going on with the software. It like records the servo motion. So I would check this one out. I don't have huge complaints about the electrical build except for the trim pot shoved directly into the breadboard. No. Check it. His recorded motion. Right? It's cool. Check it out. Number six. The trim pot shoved directly into the breadboard. I hate it. I hate it. Number seven. Breadboard, sure. Trim pot, all right, and no, trim pot shoved. They're going to shove it into the breadboard and then shove it in there. And right, no, it's not a problem at all that the breadboard is coming apart after you shove the trim pot in there. You can see why I hate it. I just hate it. Number eight on my little list. Is that electrical tape? I really hate electrical tape. And those are like, is that like braided wire? It's twisted? Those tips? Are they tinned and right into the Arduino board? No, don't do it. Oh God, I hate it so much. Oh, okay. No, moving on. This is number 9 on my little list here. Wait, what? Hallelujah. It's the 3-pin header. The elusive 3-pin header. Thank you. Diamond hands. Nice work. See how much cleaner? Also, check out the little solid core. I can't get my finger there. Little solid core wires making the black and red wires there, making the power connection. There's no jumper. There's two fewer jumpers. Double thumbs. Number 11. I guess this is just a servo. There's no knob. So if you're only plugging in the servo for your very first day, this is technically okay. Sort of. Number 15. Oh, it's in Tinkercad. Sure. Yeah, so, it's a perfectly nice drawing. You're not really going to know until you build it. So I think these Tinkercad simulations are perfectly fine, but they also give you a false sense of reality. So you'll see when you go to build it. It's a lot different. Okay, I think I'm done with that activity for now. Bye-bye, YouTube. That about wraps it up. Keep an eye out for my companion video where I'll talk about some of my approaches to how you handle the electrical build. And I'll see you next time.